Shaheed, Assalamu alaikum. I know that the reason for our event today is to celebrate Milad al-Nabi. So I wish you Milad Nabi Mubarak. I know that it passed a few weeks back, but I think events like that is helping to keep the tradition, keep our tradition, our community tradition in celebrating, in specific chanting, specific singing, specific madih, all those inherited cultural aspect of the celebration, and moving that to our children, getting children to get used to it, to be part of their day-to-day life. And that's going along with different groups of the Muslims, even different groups from non-Muslims, other religions. So when I, after 20 years of outreaching to different communities, I can differentiate between Sufis Madih and Sunnis Madih and Shias Madih and all kind of even the same religion but different cultures, because it's inherited with the culture, part of the culture. As BA for the Minister of Tourism, Culture and Sports, I love my portfolio. I like to attend events and try to test myself to see if I would be able to guess what is this group is or what culture is this coming from. And you should be proud of that. And I would like to thank Canadian Muslim friends for bringing the community together and organizing for such an event. And I can see like the attendance is, mashallah,
Muslim friends,
like good attendance, that means that you are doing good thing. That's a testimony for the community approval of what you are doing for. So I would like to congratulate you. I would like to wish all of you a good evening to enjoy the celebration. And in regards to the floods in Pakistan, I said it multiple times and I will say it again. Because of the nature of Canada, like people coming from different countries, they have roots in different countries, in their own home countries. And I don't think at any point of time these roots will ever severe, because we are linked to our home countries. Maybe other generation, next generation will be different, but for us, we are very connected to our root countries. And not even us, them, they consider us an extended community for them. They look to us as part of their home nation, and they look to us with hope. So when we have a disaster in every country, not only Pakistan, but in every country, even in Egypt and every other country, they look to us as the symbol, the heroes, their saviors, helpers. So please don't disappoint them. I know that we can help them with a very small, not really, it's going to affect us day to day, but it will mean a lot for them there. So thank you very much for inviting me, and I wish you all a good evening.